What are the main types of DeFi applications? DeFi, or decentralized finance, is revolutionizing the way people interact with financial services by providing a decentralized alternative to traditional banking systems. Built on blockchain technology, DeFi applications allow users to access various financial services without relying on traditional banks or institutions. We'll introduce you to the main types of DeFi applications, considering their relevance for beginners in the crypto space, and explain their key features. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs. Decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, enable users to trade cryptocurrencies and tokens without relying on a centralized authority, offering enhanced security and control over your assets. Platforms like Uniswap, SushiSwap and MarginX are popular examples of DEXs. MarginX is a decentralized perpetual exchange with a comprehensive DeFi solution that explores the potential of finance beyond the blockchain. Yield farming. Yield farming, also known as liquidity mining, is a way for users to earn rewards by providing liquidity to DeFi platforms. By depositing assets into a platform's liquidity pool, users receive tokens that represent their share of the pool. These tokens can then be staked to earn additional rewards, such as governance tokens. Popular yield farming platforms include Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and SushiSwap. Lending and borrowing platforms. DeFi lending and borrowing platforms connect borrowers and lenders directly, enabling users to lend their assets to earn interest or borrow assets for various purposes. Platforms such as Compound, Aave, offer lending and borrowing services. These platforms allow users to access loans without intermediaries, often providing more flexible terms and lower fees compared to traditional financial institutions. Insurance. DeFi insurance platforms, like Nexus Mutual, offer protection against risks such as smart contract failures, hacks, and other vulnerabilities in the decentralized finance space. These platforms enable users to purchase coverage for specific assets or protocols, providing an additional layer of security in the DeFi ecosystem. Stablecoins. Stablecoins are digital assets designed to maintain a stable value by pegging them to a reserve of stable assets, such as the US dollar. They play a crucial role in DeFi by providing a stable medium of exchange and store of value. Examples of widely used stablecoins are USDT and USDC. They can be used on various DeFi platforms for trading, lending, and borrowing. In conclusion, DeFi applications provide a wide range of financial services that empower users to manage their assets, trade, and earn rewards in a decentralized ecosystem. By familiarizing yourself with the main types of DeFi applications and understanding their key features, you can take advantage of the exciting opportunities this rapidly growing space has to offer. As a beginner, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and exercise caution when using DeFi platforms. Welcome to the world of decentralized finance.